Let's start our game Dodge the Ball. So we have opened our Scratch editor. We want to upload some sprites, so we'll go to sprite and we want to upload a sprite Panda. One more sprite we can add as a stone. Same, we want to add a backdrop. We will go to a backdrop, upload a backdrop, or you can choose from here. So done. We want to delete this sprite. We have done it. Now let's go to the code. We want our panda to jump whenever the ball passes from here. So we want two programs, one for ball, one for panda. So for ball, we want to move our ball, and we want also to move continuously towards left. And whenever ball appears here, we will make our panda jump using the keyboards. So first, let's make the panda jump. Go to the event in the pandas program, in the pandas script area, green flag. We will use the up arrow, so we will use this head shape block. So whenever up arrow key is pressed, we want our panda to jump. Okay, so go to the motion, glide, take the glide block, make here 0.3 second, and we want our panda to come back also. So one block for up, one block for down. What is the position we want to take? Somewhere here. So it's minus 194 and 8. And again x will be the same and y is 110. Okay. So one up arrow is pressed, panda is jumping. Now my panda is jumping. We can add some sound. So go to sound, take a sound here, and if you want to change the sound, go to sound, select choose a sound. So we are going to use boing as our sound. Right? Good. Change it to boing. Okay. Now panda is having two costumes. Costume number 1 and costume number is 2. So we can use this to costume. Go to look section, switch costume block somewhere here and here. So costume 1 to 2. Okay, so the panda is changing costume and is making a jump. Okay. Now let's code in stone. Go to the stone block, take a event, take a loop. So forever we want to run that code, that's why we have taken a forever loop. Go to the motion and turn anti-clockwise for 15 degrees. So my stone is moving, and I want to fix the position of the stone somewhere here. So we are going to use again event. Okay, a loop. Okay, first of all, we will add the loop, and in the look section we will add two blocks, show and hide. I want to fix the position, so I will go to motion, I will use this one, go to x-axis 229 and minus 126. Okay, here, and whenever the program start, the stone will disappear, and for a second we will give a delay. We added a delay, then a show. Okay, so after 1 second my ball will appear in the screen and it will remain in this position, and I want my ball to glide, so I will use the motion, glide 1 second, or increase the delay if it is past 1.5 seconds. Go to the left of the screen, so -2 minus axis minus 232, and y will be the same because we are not changing the y-axis, we are only changing the x-axis. Okay. So it's doing okay, it's coming, and we can make panda jump, or we can reduce the size of the stone from here. So it's 39, we can do it 35. Okay, that's good. If you want to add some sound, we can add some sound here. Okay, so whenever the green flag is clicked, again we are going to take a event. Green flag is clicked inside forever, or you can add a sound here also, but we want to separate it so code will be easily understandable. That's why we are using another event, a forever. Go to sound and select sound. Okay, so this is the dancer. Okay. Volume is too high, so we reduce the volume 20%. Okay, so whenever green flag is clicked, the volume will be 20% and the sound is this, and we can add a delay here for 15 seconds. Now let's see. Okay, sound is good. Let's clean up the blocks. Okay, now blocks and cleanups. Ball is appearing. Let's add some sound in Panda. Panda is created. Okay, Panda is jumping. Let's play. Okay, so our two program is working. One is jump and ball is moving, but when the ball is touching the Panda, we want to stop the program. So in the Panda section, again take a event block, take the control block forever, and take a conditional statement inside the forever block to check the condition. So for checking the condition, we are going to use sense block touching our stone. If Panda touches the stone, then go to control section and stop all. Okay, let's see. Okay, program over. If you want to add some score, so what we can do, we can add some score. So for that we will make a variable. So make a variable, name the score. Okay, set my variable to 0. Whenever green flag is clicked, stone score will be 0, and if Panda is making a jump, we will give a score. In this condition, there will be one error that whenever you will click the up arrow, the score will change. For that, we will add some score in the stone. So we are going to make one more event, the loop. So always, if you want to run continuously, don't forget to use loop. Take a condition, take a operator. Okay, take a operator less than. We will check the position of the ball. So whenever the ball successfully passes here to this position, then we will give him a score. It means that Panda has jumped already. If the Panda will not able to jump, the program will stop. Okay, so if x position less than -2 and 27, then go to variable, go to change your variable by 1, and don't forget to click score. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, score is 0 because my ball has not completed its journey. Okay, we are not getting any score. Why? Because we have not changed the score by 1. Okay, here it is 2 minus, we want to decrease 1. Okay, -227. That's mathematical error. Okay, we click again. Okay, I'm losing again. There is a problem in the Panda. We have fixed the position of the Panda or not. Okay, we have not fixed the position of the Panda, so we are going to fix the position of Panda. Go to the motion, go take this position. So whenever green flag is clicked, my Panda will here. Okay, I am getting the score. Okay, so it's done. If there is an error, we can sort it out of the score. For that, go to stone, go to looks, and hide our ball. Then our program will work. Okay.